Welcome to the next module, Pass Hadoop. In this module, we will look at Hadoop as a managed service in the cloud. So we are going to look at Hadoop as a PaaS platform service offering. So what are the topics in this module? First, we will look at big data analytics. As part of this section, we will look at what big data is. We'll define big data. We'll also look at why there is so much data that is being generated, the different technologies that have been around, and what technologies have come into place in the marketplace right now for big data processing, and of course, how different companies are using big data to do analytics. And then we will look at Hadoop overview. I do have to tell you that I have an entire course devoted to Hadoop, which is called Big Data Processing Using Hadoop. It's a graduate level course available for you. So there is no way I can do justice to Hadoop. So I'm going to kind of give you a high level overview of Hadoop because the goal of this class is to show you how you can launch a cluster on the fly and kind of do some basic manipulation, right? So the actual art of doing Hadoop MapReduce programming, the way you code MapReduce programming, is not going to be covered in this class. But I will give you an overview of Hadoop because you need to understand that in order to understand the Hadoop service in the cloud. Then we will look at the PaaS Hadoop concepts. What does it mean to have Hadoop in the cloud? What kind of features should the cloud provider give you so that you can use the cloud Hadoop service or the PaaS Hadoop service? Then we'll look at AWS EMR, which is really the Hadoop offering in the Amazon cloud. And we will look at the AWS EMR service and its architecture. Then I'm going to give you a demo of the AWS EMR service. Then we will look at the AWS EMR architectural capabilities in terms of performance, scalability, availability, and so on and so forth. And then I'm going to give you a demo of the AWS EMR architectural capabilities. So what are the module goals? After completing this module, you will be able to describe what big data is and what big data analytics is. You'll also be able to describe at a very high level what Hadoop is. You'll be able to describe what PaaS Hadoop or managed Hadoop as a service in the cloud is all about, and what are the features that would be necessary in order to have a PaaS Hadoop service, and what are the features that you should be looking for in a cloud service. Then we'll apply Hadoop concepts in AWS EMR, which is a cloud service. You'll be able to demonstrate a Hadoop cluster in AWS EMR. You'll be able to cite architectural capabilities of AWS EMR. And you'll also be able to demonstrate architectural capabilities of AWS EMR because you'll be able to do that hands-on using the admin console.